It's a regular workflow which user work with. Generally, creating of planes or probably confirming the features. But I just wanted to show there's a better way to do that instead of just going on clicking a lot of options. You can do it very fast. I have this assembly open where let's say I want to create a plane somewhere. What generally user does is it goes to references, click on plane, then select from the feature tree, select the plane, and then confirm with the changes. So it's like, you see, there are a lot of clicks involved in this. I have a beta option for that. So I simply click on the plane which I want to use it as a reference, use control, and when you see the cursor, just drag. So I don't have to do anything and click OK. Okay. The other thing is, let's say I want to edit a part, so I go in context and no problem. I want to create a dome feature here. So I select here, but I don't know where the dome feature is. I'll use dome. So with the W shortcut, I simply search for dome. It highlights me here. Okay, I see that the feature needs some modification. Now I'm done. I'll press D button and you can see the confirmation button is near to my mouse. Instead of, traveling here or the right side, click here, you're done. And Control Tab, go back to your assembly, click OK. That's it. Everyone should know because that saves time. I mean, if you can do 1 minute of work in like 5 seconds, in a longer run, you get more work done throughout the day.